Hello, welcome to Entertain Labs. Today we're gonna see how we can create a complex dictionary using nested for loops. Let's get into the lab. Alright, so this is our piece of code and the code may looks complex, but actually it's not. It's very simple. So we are going to break down this code. So actually it's going to build a complex dictionary with nested dictionaries with the help of nested for loops. So here this item belongs to this one, and this item belongs to this one, and this is belongs to this one. So it's going to build a three-level hierarchy output here. So let's see. So here we need to use the braces and square brackets perfectly. We need to close all the braces and square brackets correctly. So so we're going to see the output now. So I'm going to run. So let's see the hierarchy of output here. See, so this is level 1, and this is level 2, and this is level 3. So under this 1 and 2, so each have elements, and these are same level, and we are seeing the output of this one. And for this level we are seeing another set of output here. So this is how we can build a very big dictionary. We can make a complex data structure with the help of list comprehension and nested for loops inside the dictionary. Actually it's single line statement. Actually it's a single line statement. By looking at it you may think that it's a multi-line statement. Actually it's not. It's a single line statement only. So within a one line we could be able to create a complex data structure here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.